Alright, I'm going to show you how I load my albums. I'll show you using this little fake group and you can practice in it. You're fine. I'm recording. Anyways, I'll show you how to load albums in here. And I'm gonna punch Fred, just so you know. So this is our little fake group you can practice in. So whenever you're in your regular group, you'll do it just like this. So go to Photos, and then go to Albums, and then Create Album. And then you go through whatever you want to start at. So let's see, I have all my inventory here. So say you want your Amelia's to be the very first thing that posts. Go to your customer photos and select a couple of them. I do Control so that I just select the ones that I want. So then I open those. And then add more photos, and let's go do extra, extra small. And I haven't posted since Facebook has been giving issues. So let's see how many it allows me to do. Untag people. Add photos. Let's do extra small. And then I'll show you what to do to add them if it gives us issues. So then I just type in, if I can find my mouse, I type in here Amelia. And then here's where I write my little description. I have all my descriptions here to copy, so that I just copy and paste my description. My dogs are being annoying. I'm sorry if you can hear them. Alright, so there's that. And then I'm going to see if it will let me post this many. It might not. I've heard it's been being very bad to post. Let's see. And it did. So then you go in. See, I already have that much. So now I'm going to go in and do add photos to it and just go start at the small. And you have to let people know just to refresh, because at first they're only going to see it up to the extra small. And then scroll down, add photos, go to medium, and do that until you have all of them. And you just do the same thing for every single album that you create. Once it loads, then I just hit post. And we'll just wait a second. I didn't hotspot in, so it's taking a minute. I usually hotspot for my parties just because our internet's not that good. And then I'll show you a little, I'll also show you a little trick that I do. Alright, so let's post this and see what happens. There was an error. See, I had too many this time. So then you have to go and delete some. Okay. Let's see if we have... Post. So yeah, it is being very picky. So what I do when I'm posting is make several tabs. So just keep making tabs. Let's see, this first one, I'm going to go to Us Awesome Girls again. And then go to Photos, go to Albums, Create Album, and let's say that we're going to go work on the Azure now. So grab Customer Photos, Azure, whatever. And while those are working on loading, go to your next one and start loading your next album as well. so that you have them all ready to go, and then you can just hit post when it's time. Gives you a little bit of extra time to work on stuff. So you just do that. Here, I'll just, where are my customer photos? They're just right here. Alright, so then I have the Azure going and the Carly going. So then see, I could come hit add video, add photos. I can change all this while it's doing. And that is pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye!